Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to video. Today we're going to be talking about how to service a portable AC unit. I live here in Seattle where I only get like 2 months of sunshine per year, so I don't have central AC in my house. So if I'm like you, maybe I went the cheap route, bought a portable AC unit. Luckily these are pretty, low maintenance, but there are 2 or 3 things that I do on a routine basis to keep this thing running efficiently. Okay, so first thing is the filter on the back. Most of these you just pull off. Sometimes they have screws, but usually they just pull off. And as you can see, here is the filter. It's not that bad, but there is a lot of lint on there that can cause efficiency to go down. So what we're gonna do is vacuum this filter with just your common household vacuum. Okay, now that the filter's clean, you can see the actual radiator fins in here. If you have an air compressor, that is ideal. Mine's unfortunately down for the moment, but I do have one of these high strength dusters. I'll put a link below if you want to buy these on Amazon. But they're pretty darn powerful. And I just spray out, as you can see, all the dust coming out of there. These come in really handy. All right, the next thing I do is look on the back. There's usually 2 drain ports. Condensation can build over time in the tank or the reservoir, and you don't really want that condensation to fill up and become full, because that can actually damage your unit or cause leaks or cause it to run less efficiently. So all you want to do is start at the top and unscrew and let any water drain out. I did this not too long ago. There's a little garment here. You can see a little bit of water. I did this about 2 months ago. So it's not a whole bunch. And then we're gonna do the one on the bottom. Unscrew, pull out the little garment. This one will probably have a little bit more. And as you can see, let all that water run out. I'm doing this outside, obviously. If you're doing it inside, you might wanna put this, your air conditioner on a stool or something like that, and then put a bucket underneath it. But I'm just gonna tilt the unit here, get as much condensation buildup out of the unit as possible. All right, and then just reverse the steps, put in the little rubber garments, screw these suckers back on. Now, depending on how often you're using your unit, you might wanna check this on a more frequent basis. I only use it for a couple months during the summer to get me through this heat. Now, this particular unit has a secondary filter, and this usually gives you access to the coils inside. There's a little Phillips screw to take off on this model, and then this just pops out. As you can see, that's pretty dirty. I'm just going to use, again, my little blower or vacuum, whatever works. And as you can see, pretty dirty inside there. We can see the copper tubing. I'm just going to hit all this. And then reinstall. Take your freshly cleaned filter, put it back on. We're back in business. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this quick how-to video on how to service or clean your portable AC unit. Again, it's really nice that these are pretty self-sufficient and you really don't have to do much, but those 3 things will keep your portable AC running top-notch. Stay cool, see you in the next video.